So Doogee has announced the S200X, a slightly improved version of the Doogee S200. As an upgrade over the S200, the S200X has a 512GB internal storage and it comes with much more better colorways. These are basically the only differences between both 5G rugged beasts. The other specs of both devices are the same, including the processor, which is the Dimensity 7050 with a clock speed of up to 2.6 GHz. Just like the S200, the device also has a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus IPS 120Hz display. In the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 100MP main camera followed by a 20MP night vision and a 2MP macro lens. The device also has a 20MP front-facing camera. It has 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. As I mentioned earlier, the internal storage is larger than that of the Doogee S200. The storage, of course, can be expanded up to 2TB via micro SD card. Just like the S200, it has a 10,100 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging. And of course, lastly, the phone has a 1.32-inch AMOLED multifunctional rear display. Other features include Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, a triple card slot, which means they can use 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. It has GPS and other essential navigation systems, and its thickness is 16mm. Its weight is not disclosed, but I'm expecting it to weigh up around 300 grams. So these are the top features of the Doogee S200X. It's currently available for $279.99 on AliExpress. I'll put a link in the video description if you're interested. So what are your thoughts, guys? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.